Hi guys, welcome back to YouTube channel. It's your Ami Biker. I hope you guys are doing well and safe at your place. Here we come with the new video of KTM RC 200. This time KTM has launched new bike with all new looks and highly features which enhance the speed, stability and mobility. KTM present a new aerodynamic style, lightweight chassis for best control. It has 40% larger airbox with a LED light with DRLs, pilot lamp and blinkers. New KTM come with a curved radiator for better heating management. As new changes into a LCD console meter with all information which gives a to Z info requires. And now we can go a more longer as compared to older RC200 because fuel tank has been extended with a 4 liter more space which is now 13.7 liters. At the last, KTM come with a bigger 300 disc with Supermoto ABS for smooth and safety braking on Indian roads.
You just wanna make sure you're right. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. I don't wanna feel you.
Here we come with the front view. It has a LED headlight with the biggest and stronger windshield. Indicators are attached in the frame which gives an additional benefit while we riding. Number plate holder and stylish mirror which gives a fabulous look to a bike. अगर आप कंपेयर करते हो ओल्ड KTM मॉडल या फिर और कोई 200cc बाइक, न्यू KTM RC 200 का जो एरोडायनेमिक स्टाइल है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा बेस्ट है एंड इसकी जो हेडलाइट है इसका थ्रो बहुत ही ज़्यादा विजिबल एंड वाइड है बिकॉज हेडलाइट का जो फोकस है वो लिटिल बिट डाउनवर्ड्स है जिससे हमें बहुत ही अच्छी विजिबिलिटी मिलती है फॉर बेटर राइड. So let's move to the front wheel. In front we get a sporty design black mudguard, MRF radial tubeless tire, 110x70 session for best grip and cornering on roads. Strong and massive 17-inch orange alloy wheels. And for comfort from portholes, we get a 43mm WPFX USD forks in front. For best braking, KTM provide a 320mm bigger ABS disc brake for smooth and best braking on Indian roads. Console meter. It has a LCD display console meter which is visible in daylight with A to Z informations. This KTM new console meter provides us a lot of details. RPM gear display, fuel gauge, gear indicators, ABS on-off, clock, fuel consumption, neutral indicator. And speedometer, tachometer, trip meter is digital. New KTM RC 200 has adjustable clip-on handlebar for more comfort while we ride. And on left side, we get a best quality switches, high beam, low beam, turn signal and horn. And on right side, self-start and kill switch, 13.7 liter fuel tank. Engine, it's a 199cc single cylinder liquid cooled DOH FI engine which is very significant and response which create a max power of 25 bhp with 10,000 rpm and max torque is 19 Newton meter with 8,000 rpm. As we compare to other 200cc bike, KTM RC is more powerful and mighty bike. It has a loud and bassy voice underbelly exhaust which look a very sporty. Movable gear lever with a 6-speed gearbox. So let's hear the exhaust note. Rear wheel. In rear wheel we get a something new and unique feature which is Supermoto ABS for hard braking without any compromising on safety. Rear wheel come with a 17-inch orange alloy wheels and 115/60 section MRF radial tubeless tire for best grip. If we talk about the rear suspension, it has now 10-step adjustable WPFX monoshocks for better comfort for rider and for pillion rider. Rear view. Rear view look very attractive and sporty with a sharp LED tail light. For pillion now we get 2 grab rails for better holding when we ride. LED turn signal indicator, number plate holder and reflector for safety night ride. Now it's good thing that we can adjust a rear suspension while we ride according to our height. So let's take a ride and enjoy the bike. While having hands-on the experience, it is more than was expected. Sitting position and handling is very comfortable. Now we can prefer a KTM RC 200 for a long ride as well. The changes done in the clip-on is giving a more comfort. Also, however, there is no comparison between KTM and other bikes. KTM is always gone known for an instant pickup for riding. When we talk about the weight, new KTM RC is 1 kg lighter than the old model, which is 150 kgs. Let's make it short and jump to the ex-showroom price of new KTM RC 200 is 2,08,077. Braking is really awesome. Company claim mileage is 35 kmpl. There are two colors available in the market, one which show in the video and another one is dark galvano. Guys, if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and bell icon for getting more videos related to automobiles and accessories video. Special thank to KTM Thane Swastik Motor. I really like the way they respond to us. I hope you guys will also like it. Do visit the showroom. Number and address mentioned in the description box. Thank you for the supporting. See you in next video. Take care. Bye bye.
Make sure you're right. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. I don't wanna feel you tonight.